Okay, so it's pretty easy to connect. So the first thing, we're gonna click settings on the screen of the car, select Bluetooth and devices, search for devices, and then on our phone we're gonna click where it says Bluetooth, and we're gonna look for Toyota Camry. Once we find it, we're gonna select it, and then we're gonna enter a code that appears on both of them. Actually, we're gonna confirm the code. We're gonna say okay and confirm, and then another window, and just click OK and permit on both of them, and it should be already connected. It's pretty easy, pretty fast. Once you're connected, you're gonna see on the screen the symbol of the Android car. By the way, this technique is also the same for Apple users, so feel free to use the same way. As you can see, we're already in, so now you can play music, you can receive and make phone calls, and you can also use Google Maps. And if you're an Apple user, Apple Maps, but I highly recommend Google Maps. So in this case, I'm gonna give it a try using going to the unit station from Pasadena. We're gonna click start, and as you can tell on the screen, it's already linked, and we are going to. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.